So big news for Bitcoin. Did you know that it has been just about 2 years since we have seen Bitcoin at 47 slash $48,000? Did you know that? It's been 2 years. And those have obviously been a rough 2 years, 2022 and 2023. We're going to talk about that in this video, but we're really going to talk about the fact that get in now, because you will look back and you will be having a conversation. I bought Bitcoin when it was 43,000, 45, 47,000. Because ultimately, depending upon whom you believe, Kathy Wood has said 1.5 million per Bitcoin. Michael Saylor out there, advocate, obviously throwing about some big numbers, but I think a minimum at some point down the road, we'll see Bitcoin 500,000 plus easily. And we're going to talk about that in this video. We're also going to talk about the fact of what's coming up, where we at right now, and it is the right time. And by the way, this is not just Bitcoin specific. All major altcoins are pumping as well. Not right this second. I realize today it's a little flat, but I want to talk about some things and show you some stuff that you probably didn't know. So as always, thanks for your support, and let's move into this. Smash that like button and hit that subscribe button if you're new to me, because I cover Bitcoin every single day, as well as all major cryptos to help you navigate crypto, make more money, all that kind of stuff. All right, here we go. So right this second, like I said, nothing really happening this moment, but we all know in the past 4, 5, 6 days, we've had a nice little key rally here. We've seen Bitcoin go up over 48,000 just to prove it to you. It's actually dropped just a little bit there, but I promise it was there. In the last 24 hours, we have seen Bitcoin right there flash up over $48,000. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, let me make sure you guys can, because my little picture's there. Okay, so let me move me up in the upper right hand corner. There you go. Okay, so again, to prove that to you right there, we did flash up over 48,000. Okay, so we've seen Bitcoin move up over 48,000. So Bitcoin, get in now. Again, key. And to show you some other things, I've shown this chart a bunch. This is from Rex Capital over on X, one of my favorite Bitcoin specific X content creators, talking about all of the previous halving cycles. We are now officially in this blue box here on the right. Let me move me again. My picture keeps getting in the way. Then this blue box here on the right, where this blue circle is, we've entered into this box. To give you some perspective, in 2020, when we were in this box, now again, I realize 20 was a weird year because of COVID. If you go back and look at all the previous halving cycles, Bitcoin has always doubled or more in this pre-halving rally, which is represented by this blue box here. Okay. Now, am I saying that Bitcoin is going to go to 90,000 in this pre-halving rally before we hit the April 15, April 18 approximate Bitcoin halving event? No, I'm certainly not saying that. I'm being cautiously optimistic and saying, hey, I think we could go to 67 plus past our all-time high. I think that's extremely reasonable, and 70,000 plus is probably in that ballpark. And I would love to be wrong and see it go north of 80,000 before April. Okay. But history proving itself that we are in that blue box. We should continue to see Bitcoin rallying. So again, back to the title of the video, Bitcoin, get in now, because we are rising. Now, I want to show you something here. Let me hit the database here again and show you something here. This is the Bitcoin chart right here. And approximately 11 days ago, this is my software, X1 Algo. It's a trading indicator. It gave a buy alert on Bitcoin on the 12-hour, and showing that in the last 11 days, we've seen Bitcoin rise 14%. Okay. Now, to give you some perspective, if we go back in time, there's a buy, sell, buy again, sell. That's a 74% move up. My software signaled the right times to buy and sell, to buy at the right level, sell to lock in profits, buy again, sell to lock in profits, and so forth. So again, proving to you right there. So if you're interested in my software trading indicator, links in the description below. It's less than $1 a day is what it costs you. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee if you're interested in picking it up. You get 30 days to test it. If you don't like it, then you can obviously give it back. Okay. So again, get in now, I think, is definitely the theme of what you should really take away from the video. This is mega news in that number one, 2 years. We haven't been back at these levels in 2 years. So I'm applauding you if you've been here, if you've held, and if you bought at the low when we saw sub 20,000, congrats. I definitely bought in those levels, and I'm happy with those investments. I don't see Bitcoin going anywhere but up from here as we continue to roll along into the halving. Now, after the halving, just to show you this, we will see a consolidation period. That's the red box. If you go back and look in 2020, you see that consolidation, that kind of sideways movement. So we could see a little bit of a sell the news scenario. But again, we've seen this. And so what I'm doing here in this video is preparing you, making you aware of what is coming our way. Okay. So final thing, if you're interested, links in the description below to my Patreon. I'm started something brand new. And by the way, you can join for free. And then if you decide to stay on after those 7 days, you can, it's $20 a month. And I've started a new thing where I'm starting to do crypto copy trading. Okay. And what that means is that I am letting all of my Patreon members know when I buy a particular crypto, when I sell that crypto and all that. And I'm using my own indicator to do that. These are also going to be brand new launches when a new crypto is launching. I'm going to let my Patreon members know that. So $20 a month, probably not a bad deal for you, right? To at least maybe get in on some of these kind of alpha and early scenarios. Now, is this buy and sell alerts? Nope, that's not what this is. This is copy trading. You'll have the ability to track everything that I'm buying. I'm going to notify you when I buy it, when I sell it, the same day I buy, the same day I sell. Okay, so you're going to know. So if that's something that you think's kind of cool, you can direct message me on this platform as well. Links in the description below, and you get that 7-day free trial just to kind of test it out. And I even posted a buy this morning. Okay, it was a blue chip that I just bought some of. All right, so that's what I have for you right now. I think that we're at some exciting times with Bitcoin and all of crypto, and I think we're going to continue to see the bleed over in a positive way to all the major altcoins, and we're going to continue to see things going up and up and up. See ya. Have a good one.